surrounding my home. Is it love? 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 Is it love?
করো হ্যালো গাইস, টিনো হ্যালো গাইস করো। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Ati Canada Vlogs. I am vlogging after a very long time today, and today is the 12th of June 2021, and I am going to get my first dose of COVID-19 vaccine today. My center is in Georgetown, Halton Hills. That is 20 minutes drive from my home. It's a very, very beautiful day today. Summers have sprung in Canada, and they will be there for another 3 months. So yeah, let's get the vlog started, and I'll try to shoot if I get the permission to shoot there in the center. Let's see what happens. So I have reached the COVID vaccination center. There is no lineup. तो मैं आपको जाके बताती हूँ कि क्या है. If they are allowing me to click a photo or shoot the video, let's go ahead. Hi. May I have your name, please? Atray. ATRAYEE. What time? 11. Come on in. Where do I have to show up?
Inside. May I have your name, please?
Hi. How are you? Good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Can I just get you to read the COVID symptoms here
Yes.
and let you know that you're good, you don't have anything?
No, I don't have anything. No.
No fever?
Nothing.
Great. So you keep that down and come on around to registrate.
Okay.
Just follow the arrows.
Just put it as a reminder. My first name is dot last name Hughes at me.
Thank you, Madare.
Here. Alisa.
Just on here.
I've already got the Yeah, but they also said those with disabilities.
It's eligible either way. They just like to know, like, okay, who's getting your vaccine and all that kind of thing. Alrighty, perfect. You're all checked in, Alex. Thanks so much for coming today. Thank you. So this way, and it's the last day.
When you booked your appointment, do you remember what your eligibility was that you chose?
Eligibility in the sense?
Was it your age group or something? Most likely your age group, you think?
Maybe. I don't remember.
Okay. Yeah, it must have just been your age group. What's your phone number?
905-462-1536.
462-1536?
Yes.
And I also have a 647.
Yes, that's my husband's.
243-1947.
Yes.
What's your email?
ATTYMUMBLES@gmail.com.
ATTY Mumbles?
Yes.
At gmail.com?
Yes. What are we getting here? Which vaccine?
It's Pfizer.
Okay.
Did you want to be emailed about any
Yes,
surveys.
yes.
And you're all checked in.
Thank you.
Clinics is straight ahead and to your left.
Okay, thank you.
I need your driver's license.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good. Okay, that's you. Is this your? It's kind of what you can expect after getting the vaccine. Is this your first dose today?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have a history of fainting after getting needles or
No.
anything like that before? No. You're perfect.
Hi there, welcome today.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Beautiful. Okay, follow me. We're gonna go up to the top. It's your number 5.
Number 5?
That's correct. Yes.
Okay. Hi.
My name is Irene. I'll be giving your vaccine today.
Okay.
Can I get your full name?
My full name is Atrey Bhomik.
And your birthday.
5th of July 1984.
So I just have a few questions for you first. Have you been sick at all in the past 2 days?
No.
And it's your first COVID vaccine?
Yes.
Do you have any allergies to anything?
No.
Have you had any other vaccines in the past 14 days?
No.
Are you pregnant or breastfeeding?
No.
Do you have any conditions that weaken your immune system?
No.
Are you taking any blood thinners?
No.
And have you ever fainted after the vaccine?
Fainted after my... No.
So you're going to be getting Pfizer today. Do you have any questions for me?
After how long is the second dose administered?
So right now it's automatically generated for 16 weeks from now. So it's probably October something for you. It's probably in your email. But starting August 9, for anyone that got their vaccine in June, they can try and book an earlier date.
Oh,
So you just have to go on the website and see what's available for you.
all right.
And which arm do you prefer? What would be better?
Left.
No problem.
Oh,
It's okay. It's an easy one. I'm just gonna clean your arm first, okay?
okay.
Okay, you ready? There you go.
It's done?
Yes. So you're just gonna stay here for 15 minutes just to make sure you're okay. If you don't feel good, just raise your hand. The nurse will come and check on you, okay?
Okay.
So at 11:34, if you feel fine, then you don't have to wait for me. You're gonna go to the exit over there, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna put this here to remember. Let me take a look. Your arm should be okay. Yeah, you're good. And just make sure this email is correct.
activehumbles@gmail. Yes, right.
Okay, so I'm gonna email the receipt to you right now, just for your immunization record. If you have a chance, just check and make sure you got the email. Okay?
Okay.
Sticker.
Oh,
All right.
Thank
I'm
you.
around if you need me.
Okay.
No problem.
So guys, I'm here at Best Buy. I am here to pick up my Fitbit Sense 5. So let's go.
Pick up some food. How much?
So guys, I am vaccinated now. I'll tell you the full process once I reach home. I got the Pfizer vaccine here in Georgetown. So yeah, it was a very streamlined process, extremely good, and I was quite impressed. Now my second jab will be sometime in October, but after August 9th, we can prepone our appointments. They told me that after August 9, if your date falls after August 9, you can prepone that date. So yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you know what symptoms I have tomorrow if I have any. Right now I don't have any symptoms, no side effects, nothing. But it's just been 15 minutes that I got my vaccine. Right now we are going to pick up my watch. Hari, what turn do you want? Okay. So we are going to pick up my watch from where? Oakville, Mississauga, where?
Best Buy, Milton.
Best Buy Milton. We had ordered for a Fitbit Sense for myself. And so yeah, we are going to pick up my watch. This is my birthday gift from my in-laws. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So next part of the video I will be shooting there. So guys, we have picked up my Fitbit Sense, and I'll do the unboxing once we go home. Now we are going to KFC to pick up some food. I usually don't like fried chicken, but then this time I will comply because someone else likes fried chicken. Bolo, that you like fried chicken.
I like the fried veggie stuff.
Veggie stuff key. Tell them what are we having? What are you having?
I'll have the vegan burger. You will have chicken burger, and the kids will have tenders and popcorn chicken.
So guys, I have got my first dose of the COVID vaccine. We got Pfizer. Actually, I got Pfizer and my husband got Moderna. From what I saw, my husband did not have any side effects. I cannot tell for myself as of now. We'll go home and see.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice rhymes with life. Mommy, watch me. Mommy,
You go there, then I can take a picture of you.
Mommy, watch me. Hello.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been more than 36 hours that I got vaccinated. I was administered the Pfizer vaccination. This was my first jab and I am perfectly fine. I did not have any side effects as such. I just have a sore arm, actually a very sore arm, and I was doing everything yesterday. We ordered food from outside, and today my husband cooked. But apart from that, I engaged with the kids, I played with them. We had friends over, and yeah, I was pretty much normal with no side effects whatsoever. I believe everything depends from person to person, actually from body to body. There are some YouTubers who have posted of side effects of these vaccines which last for say a day or so, but in my case I have been really lucky that I did not have any kind of side effects whatsoever. Also, to give you a little bit of backstory of what exactly happened when I went for my first jab, I had a very good experience. In fact, there were ushers everywhere who were directing us, guiding us as to which way to take and then what all would happen. They ask you a lot of questions like if you're pregnant, or this is for girls, if you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding, and if you're trying to conceive. So everything is asked, and they ask you if you have allergies or if you have any kind of reactions, if you faint after taking a vaccination or so, or if you have any kind of reactions. They thoroughly ask you a lot of questions before administering the vaccine. I personally believe actually that everybody should go for this vaccine, because like this you would not be you would not only be saving your life, but you would also be saving somebody else's life. Like anybody who comes in contact with you, almost everybody in my friend circle here in Canada has had their first jabs, and pretty much similar experiences they had. My husband got the Moderna vaccine and he got it on the 25th of May. So he too did not have any kind of side effects, because I guess because both of us have been active. Right now I'm not exercising, but I do exercise often. I have stopped exercising for a couple of months now, but I plan to resume that. I think that if you have been active for most part of your life, you should not have any kind of side effects. But again, this is just my opinion, and whatever the doctor tells you, actually it's the registered nurse who administers the vaccine to you in the center. So whatever the nurse tells you, just do that. If they ask you to take a Tylenol or a Dolo or a paracetamol, take it after the vaccination is done, after you go home, so as to avoid any kind of side effects like dizziness or fever, chills, and etc., which might happen. This has happened to some people, but touch wood, we have not gone through this. Neither did I go through any kind of side effects, nor did my husband have any kind of side effects after the vaccination. So one more good news is that we can prepone our vaccination dates after the 9th of August. I asked the registered nurse there, like, when is the second jab, to which she told that ideally it should be on October. But now I think people who have been given the vaccination from between the 1st of May till the 31st of May, they can get it done before the 9th of August, and we can also change our dates and prepone it after the 9th of August. So please check accordingly. Yeah, my hand is still sore and it's paining a little bit, but yes, apart from that, there has not been any kind of other side effects that I have gone through. Also, I really liked the arrangement that was made there. There was no lineup. There was social distancing, yes. If you have seen the video which I shot, and also some of the pictures which I have posted previously in this video, you would have seen that how everything was managed, where all the people were sitting, how far or how close they were sitting, and then there was this nurse who was very nice. It just took 1 second for the vaccine to get administered. Also, they give you a receipt after you're done, stating, I will put up the receipt in the video itself. Like right here you can see the receipt, and in that receipt you can see that they'll give the vaccination which has been administered to you. Like for my case it was Pfizer, so they gave that. Then they gave the municipality. We are in the Halton municipality, not region of Peel, so they will give that. Then I think they give the percentage and all the other details also. Then your health card number, your date of birth, your name, and everything else. Also they mail you this receipt. They had given me a hard copy of the receipt, but I had requested for, they asked me if I would like to get an email copy of that receipt or not, to which I said yes, and they do that on the spot. Everything is seamless, and it's like this, it's quick. So guys, if you are in Toronto GTA, or if you are in any part of the world, do go ahead and get your vaccinations done. You will be saving a lot of lives, your lives as well as people around you. So yeah, it's really worth it. Just go ahead and get this vaccine administered to you. We need to be COVID free, guys, as soon as possible, because this has been going for too long. Also, one more great news is that Toronto and Toronto GTA is opening up. Some malls in Mississauga are not open, but the Toronto Premium Outlets, the outlet mall, which is 10 minutes drive from my house, is open. Then the shops have opened up. Almost all the shops have opened up. I don't know about the dine-in in here, but I think that in Toronto, in the main city, they have opened the dine-in restaurants. With, of course, with social distancing norms and everything has to be followed. So guys, yeah, the sooner we get vaccinated, the better it would be for everybody. And I request everyone to just go ahead and get the vaccination, whatever you're getting, be it AstraZeneca or be it Pfizer or Moderna, whatever is available, just go get it. Also, one more thing I would like to share is that there is this Facebook page called Vaccine Hunters. So you can go there and see that if there is a slot available nearby you, your area, or anywhere else where you can drive or get to before the appointment that you have booked. So yeah, just go ahead and see. And my experience has been very good. I am really impressed by the infrastructure and the way that Canada is handling this vaccine drive right now. It has really ramped up, and as a influencer, a small time influencer, I would suggest you to just go ahead and get the vaccinations done. Guys, go get your jabs, and there is nothing to worry about. The side effects are not that drastic that you get tensed and fearful and not go ahead with this. So this has been my overall experience. It has been more than 30 hours now, and the only thing, guys, as far as side effects are concerned, I can feel is I just have a very sore arm. Maybe my body did not react to any kind of side effects, and I don't know what, but apart from this, a very sore arm that I have right now, it is actually very sore. I did not have any kind of side effects, so everything is these are all the pros. There is no cons that are there. So guys, go ahead and get yourself vaccinated. Save lives. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. If you have watched till now, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm a lifestyle vlogger based out of Toronto, Canada, and I live in the Greater Toronto area. I get vlogs, and I also give out some information regarding my life here in Canada. We have been here for the past 8 years. So if you're planning to move, or if you have already moved in here and are a new immigrant, you can watch my channel and my videos and see how life is here. We are a family of 4 here, and in my upcoming videos I would be sharing a lot more information about the cost of living, the cost of daycare, and everything else that there is. Hope you enjoyed my vlog. Do subscribe, guys, if you have not. It would really help a small YouTuber like me to grow. And yeah, see you very, very soon. You all have a very good day, and I hope that you all are having a very good Sunday. See you in my next vlog. Till then, bye.